Hello, everyone. This is Julie HR. Hope everyone's had a wonderful Monday. Just wanted to give you a heads up that I have updated some of my disciplinary templates within the Disciplinary Template Bundle. I've actually added 3 additional templates, and I wanted to share those with you because I've noticed lately that many of you are purchasing a lot of write-up forms and progressive discipline policies, and wanted to make sure everything was incorporated in there. So we're going to go through this on my Etsy site. Then we're going to take a look at the actual Word or Excel document. So let's get started. So here we go right here. There are 10 templates. Please note that all the Word ones are also in Google Docs, and there's one that is an Excel one that tracks discipline, and it's also in Google Sheets. You'll see the names of all 10 right there. This is primarily involved in disciplinary actions. You're writing employees up with regards to something they've done. Perhaps it is their attendance, perhaps it is their behavior, but you'll notice there's like disciplinary suspension, there's a discipline tracker, last chance agreement, performance improvement planner. And that one is 4 pages. So it's really in depth, but there's also a performance improvement plan, which is just 1 page. Take a look at both of them because it'll just help you a little bit more about, do I want to go this deep with it, or do I want to just kind of scale it back and just kind of write it up just a little bit. There's also a workplace investigative report, attendance letter, progressive. It's got a policy on there, and it's also got a checklist. Like if you have a manager, let's say you're an HR professional, which you probably are, or you're someone at the organization who's in charge of discipline and just a lot of different other aspects of the HR function. And you have managers that maybe do not know how to go about providing a progressive disciplinary meeting. They don't know how to conduct one. Well, there is a checklist that tells you what to do before the meeting, during the meeting, and after the meeting. And there's also a policy. And this is very important because you want to have all your managers aligned across the board. Everybody knows what they're doing. They know the process. They know the policy. So everything is standardized within your organization. So there's no like favoritism. People know what they're doing. And it's just a great time if you're an HR professional to be able to sit down with your managers and provide them with this information so they're able to conduct progressive discipline in the correct manner and actually execute a meeting with an employee that serves the organization. So why this disciplinary bundle? As mentioned, the word standardize the employee discipline across the board. As mentioned, gives managers a consistent process for documenting performance, attendance, misconduct, investigations, and so forth. You reduce risk with clear documentation. It's key to document everything. I mean, not everything, but as an HR professional, how important it is to keep lists of, different actions that have taken place as it relates to employee performance. You need to document it. You always want to have something to defend yourself should somebody come back or something. Manage every stage with confidence. So this bundle provides you 10 simplistic templates that you're able to use within your organization right away. It is an instant download. And once again, here's the 1-page performance improvement plan, employee details, areas in need of improvement, periodic review notes, corrective actions, follow-up dates, all the good stuff you need to have to conduct it. Here's an employee write-up form. Types of offenses, attendance, work quality, other, tardiness, leaving early, did they violate a company policy? What are the specifics? Insubordination, violation of safety rules. This is not so much you're not so much looking at their performance as far as like their annual performance. This is more or less disciplinary in nature. So, and also, I just made a video about this one. A lot of people have actually been purchasing it. It's so simple. It's a disciplinary incident tracker dashboard. It's in Excel, but it's also in Google Sheets. It allows a manager to kind of keep up with what's going on within the organization, or actually helps an HR professional. Just always be sure to keep the name or whatnot. You want to keep things like this private and make sure that it's in a secure folder, with your IT department and whatnot. So also here, as mentioned, here's the progressive discipline checklist before the meeting. During the meeting, it guides HR and managers through every step during and after the disciplinary meeting to support, as I said, consistency. That's what you want. You want your organization to have consistent processes across the board that are respectful with the communication and proper documentation. And here is just someone laying out the progressive discipline policy. So there is a progressive discipline policy about a verbal warning, a written warning. So if you don't have something already in there, then you can utilize that. So I just want to share that with you. And then I'm just going to flip through right here with the employee write-up form and the performance improvement plan. Just going to flip. Here you can kind of see it. It's very neat and organized, and in Word, how to use the planner, last chance agreement, notice of disciplinary suspension, poor attendance, and then here's the dashboard. This is Excel, and then this is also Excel. I want to turn it sideways so I could flip through it. This is also in Excel. This is part of that. So I wanted to share that with you. Be sure to hit like, but more or less, I would love for you to hit subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications, as I probably do about 2 or 3 videos a week surrounding my templates. So please be sure to hit subscribe and the bell notifications to support my work. Thank you so much for being an HR professional or a manager or a small business or mid-sized business owner, and have a wonderful rest of the week. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful, wonderful day.